Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to comment on Waze quickly and correctly. Whether you're trying to alert other drivers about traffic, accidents, or road hazards, or you simply want to share useful information with the Waze community, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can comment with confidence. First, open the Waze app on your phone and make sure it's fully loaded on the map screen. Once you're there, look for the report icon on the screen. This icon gives you access to all reporting and communication features in Waze, so take a moment to locate it before moving forward. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important options. Next, tap the report icon and then swipe up to open the full menu. When the menu expands, you'll see several different tools designed to help drivers share updates. From this list, tap on Map Chat. This feature allows you to leave comments that other nearby drivers can see directly on the map, making it a powerful way to communicate in real time. Now, if you want to make your comment more detailed, you can tap Add a photo to include an image with your message. Photos can be especially helpful when reporting accidents, roadblocks, or unusual situations. After that, tap Add a comment and type your message clearly and responsibly. Keep it short, accurate, and easy to understand so other drivers can quickly benefit from it. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your location services are enabled, your internet connection is stable, and your comment follows Waze's community guidelines. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent posting errors or delays. Once you've typed your comment, tap Send to publish it immediately, or tap Later if you'd prefer to save it and post it at another time. After that, your comment will appear on the map, helping other drivers stay informed and navigate more safely. It's also a good idea to review your message before sending it, just to ensure the information is clear and helpful. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to comment on Waze easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with other Waze users who might need it. Why not make someone's drive a little safer today?